Let me get the rest, okay? Just give me a moment, eh? Let me get, one moment, eh? What else? All right, Assalamualaikum everyone. Come, we start straight with practice on both percentage and decimals, eh? So,
I want to start percentage soon.
oh, but we have gone through percentage, right?
Yes.
We have gone through, okay. So yeah, if you all are still confused, please just let me, okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, we'll start with percentage first. Later on, we'll revise decimals also. So this is from Nanhua Primary School. This is the CA2. So here we go. Where is the first one? Can we do the first one now? Number one. And once you finish number one, you can try number two. Do tell me which question you're doing in case I.
Wait.
Hmm? You want to use your calculator? Please go ahead. Okay. You can use your calculator. Unless the question forbids so, then I will have to forbid. Remember, percentage is a fraction with a base.
Sure. I think I remember. Okay, so percentage like how much squares there are with what number on top times 100. That's the percentage.
Yeah. All right. Yes. So you want your bottom part to be 100. Since you all have forgotten. Did I? I've gone through percentage with you all, right? Yes, right. Farish, do you? Okay. So I just revise the first one. Okay. You form a fraction first. Fraction has two numbers, something on top, something below. It's always part whole. Part is on top, whole is below. Whole means everything. So let us see what's the whole. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, 15 below. And then the top is what? You look at shaded. Shaded. Yeah, coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over 15. Now, you can do it two ways. In fact, the fastest way is just times by 100. You will get the percentage. Okay, in this case, the answer will be, Raidi, your answer is 40%. Okay, let's see. Hold on. 40%, Carissa, 40%. Okay, so are you all correct? Let's see. I can reduce now. Okay. I can divide by 3. I get 2 over here. Yeah, divide by 3, 5. Then I can divide some more, 1, and this one is 20, and you get 40%. Now this is one way. If you have some students prefer not to do this way. Some say, I want to reduce to 2/5 first, and then I ask myself, what number do I times by 5 to make it 100? Or 5 times 20. So it's times 20, you get 40 over 100. So 40 over 100 means 40%. Same thing. These two are the same. This, what does 40% mean? 40% means 40 over 100. So if you have a decimal or fraction, you times by 100, you'll get percentage. What does percentage mean? This number over 100. That's what it means. It's just a special fraction. Okay, so we move on to the next one now. Can you try question number 2 now?
Sure, if you try the how much is like divide, right?
Yeah, if they say something, so now if someone say what is half of 10, Okay, I just give you a what is half of 10. So half of 10. So of you know is what times, correct? Half is times, right? So you can write like that. Sorry, I just write it down. Half times 10.
I got easy method. I got easy method.
Okay, what's the method?
I have 1 unit first. That means it's like 360 divided by 100. No.
Then you find 1%. Yeah, can also. Down here now you can follow the same thing. Okay, so this is revision. That means you can't remember. 12%. 12%. Remember what I told you? What is percent is over 100. Okay. Off. What is off is times. So you times 360. That's it. Are we okay? Cancel. So, I mean, what do you get? Let's see. What are your answers your friend has given? Let's see. 43 and a half. Let's see. Is that correct now? Are you all okay? Are you confused? If confused, I need to go through percentage all over again. Have I gone through percent? I have gone through, right?
Yes.
Now you're making me feel as if I have not gone through. Okay,
I did mistake calculation. Sorry.
Okay, so let me see. I'm going to ask you one by one in a moment. So you get 5, 6, 6, 6. So you get 30, 30 kg. Carissa can get no? You all know how?
I got easy method.
Okay, what's the easy method?
360 divided by 12. Down.
360 divided by 12, and yeah, then you find 1%. Yeah.
No, sure.
Yeah.
If you take 360 divided by 12, it's already under answer.
Okay. Are you sure? Yeah. All right. Just one. Okay, you'll try the next one then. Try the next one.
Sure.
Yeah.
I typed 12 out of 100 times 360 and I didn't even get 30.
Okay. Can you check your mode? 12 divided by 100 now. Sorry. I will check again. Sorry. One moment. Did I do something wrong? Hold on. Oh, sorry. Okay, so sorry. Please let us recheck this one. Sorry. Okay, can we try this one again? 12 over 100. How come I got 30? Let's see. Times by 360. So we do one by one. Okay, yeah, I think I put the 6 wrongly. So down here I divide by 2, I get 6. I divide by 2, I get 5. Yes, just now I put the 6 below, I think. Okay, yes, you're correct. So Carissa is correct. 36 times 6 divided by 5. So please check. Well done. Okay, so now you got a times by 5. Down here you get 180. Then 180 must divide by 5. Allahu Akbar. What am I doing? How come am I so blurred today? Okay, you must times by 6. Carissa, what is 36 times 6? What do you get?
216.
216. Okay. Then 216 divide by 5. So let us see. 216 divided by 5. Yeah, you get 43 point something, is it?
Yeah, you're correct.
44. Then you bring down the
43.2.
43.2. Bring down the 6. 43, you get 15. Yeah, 0.2. Yes, well done. So are we okay now?
Yes.
Are we okay? So this is 43.2 kg, it'll be kg. And the next one, you all just times by 100. Okay, can you try the next one then?
Done.
You all are not ready for percentage. Let me go one by one. Farish, are you okay?
Done.
Can I check one by one? I will have to check one by one to see whether you all are right. Farish, are you all right? Farish, for percentage? Farish, you understand percentage? Or want to revise from the start?
I understand, but I forgot how to do the multiplication.
Okay, no problem. Raidi, okay, right? Okay. Kashril, are you okay or got the start from start? Putra, are you okay with percentage?
Yes, what?
Are you okay percentage or you want to start from start?
A bit.
A bit. Shelina, are you okay? A little bit?
A bit.
A lot? Okay, Shelina. Are you understand what's happening? Percentage? You're smiling a bit. Okay, Shafia? What about you, Shafia? No, okay. So maybe what I do is I will revise other topics. Then next week I'll start from scratch, or we can go through this and I teach from scratch also. Okay, either one.
No, another subject. Wait. You didn't want to read.
Another topic.
You went through red.
What do you say? I cannot hear. What do you say?
Did we went through red or ATE?
ATT. What is it?
Or ATE?
Rate. Have we gone through rate? Yes, right?
Yes.
We have gone through rate. Okay, maybe I've gone through too fast now. Because sometimes I'm
you didn't.
not too fast.
Gone through average.
Average.
Yeah, average. You ever go through average?
I have not gone through average. Okay, so we'll go through average. But okay, let us hold on. Can we start with? Can we start with number 7? We'll revise some of the topics first, plus decimals. Who was the one who just came in? Lisa. Okay. Welcome, Mr. Akil.
Wait, so 1 meter to 1 cm is
1 meter is 100 cm.
1 meter is
100 cm.
oh.
No using calculator for this one, because this is paper 1. Come, let's try. You must convert in a way that you can compare the rest. It has to be same units. Okay, 1 minute. So let us see now. Someone has given the answer. Wow, Kakak is very fast. Let us see. Kakak number 7. And Kakak and shortest, no? Shortest. They want shortest, no? Shortest, pendek, paling pendek, or they call it katik. Yes. So far, none have gotten correct. Okay, so far,
Did I get my answer correct?
none of you are correct so far. All those who have submitted answers.
Sure. Okay, wait. Sure. I thought do they mean by like 50 or 5?
What? Sorry, what?
By half do they mean by 50 or 5?
50, 50. Because meters. Okay.
Wait.
Carissa, okay, well done. So far, anyone. That means you are confused. Not confused. You're not careful. You're not careful.
Wait. Oh, I got the answer.
Okay, well done, IT. So far.
That's why, like I was thinking of.
See, so Farish say Ruby 2 times.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, a lot of you says number 3. Let us compare. This one is 138. Edna is 138 cm. This one is quite clear, right? This one 120 given. 1.5. This is 50. Half of 1 meter is 50. This one's 150 cm. Now, what about the last one over there? Sally. Sally, is it 123? Is Sally 123? No. Let us see. So now, how to find out? 3 over 20, you must times by 100. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
I just found out something.
Yeah.
If you see like 23, 20, and you take 100 divided by 20 is 5, and then you just take 5 times 3.
Yes, 5 times 3, you get 15 now here, right? So this is 115 cm. Who's the shortest? Is Sally. Now, again, I'll be very clear. 320, how to change any fraction to meter? You just times by 100. Okay, I repeat. You want to change from meters to cm, you got to times 100. So you see 3 over 20 times 100, you get 15. Shalina, okay? You're sure you're all okay? Okay. Because, okay, so 15. Okay, here we go. We move on to the next one. Okay, we will. Okay. You may need to draw a model for this one. So you draw on your paper, try to see, but we will only check your answer, but I will draw the model shortly in 1 minute's time. Okay, let us see. Oh, Naomi, hold on. Well done, Farish. Okay, anyone other than Farish?
Sure, I
Okay.
should still thinking.
What?
Still thinking.
Still thinking. Okay. So I will aid in drawing. Okay. You see whether does it make sense. Ame got twice as much as Ben. So Ame, I draw 2. Ben, I draw 1. And then now Cindy. Kashri, you got to check. Cindy is 3 times of Ben. So I draw 3. So now Kashri, no guessing. I cannot. Now you look at how I draw the model now. From your answer, no. Well done, Carissa. So Raidi, you got to check. You got to check. Hold on. I got to check now. So do you understand the model now first? Ami got twice of Ben. So Ami 2, Ben got 1. Cindy got twice of Ben. Cindy got 3, Ben got 1. So this whole thing is 42. But how many units is 42? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units is 42. 1 unit is how much? 42 divided by 6. And what do you get? You get 7.
7.
7. So the answer is 7 lah.
So,
Because you want to find, yes. Yes.
I thought they said 40. I thought they said
40. Okay. So Ben got 7. So that's the answer. 1 unit is 7. Okay, now are you okay? Shalina, okay?
yes.
Shafia,
I
okay?
need to look out for what.
Okay, be careful, okay? Because this is not so tough yet. Not so, yeah.
But
Be
then
careful
we,
again.
we cancel the ones that are long.
Yeah. Okay, we try the next one. Number 11, Zach. I think this is now 2 marks already. This follows the PSLE format already now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 2 marks each.
I'm done.
Oh, done. So fast. I'm not read the question yet, Raidi. You're too fast for me. But your answer is according to answer key is not correct. Farish, the answer according to answer key is not correct also. Please check. Be careful. Be careful. Not so. Okay, you must understand very clearly. The graph shows that the amount of money is spent.
Sure. No, sure. It's amount of save.
Yeah, you want. Yeah. Sorry, amount saved. You want amount spent. Different, you know.
Sure.
So the least amount of money saved means the most amount of money spent. Congratulations, Raidi. Yes, Carissa, correct. Well done. Farish, well done.
I give you guys hint. It's
That-
during
that
my
mean-
birthday month.
Yeah, that means both Raidi and Farish, you were overconfident. You just jump for it. Be careful.
Sure. I have to read it.
Yeah, you got to read careful. Right? Am I correct, Farish? Shafia, you got to check because you are giving the most amount of savings. They want the most amount of spending.
So I don't read. I just answer.
You just be careful. So let us go now. Most amount saved. So let us try. Shalina, well done. What is the amount spent, right? Spent. Shafia, okay, good. Well done. So how to get spent? Well, let us do step by step, okay? Amount of money saved is 30. So how much is the amount of money spent? Say, I don't know. Read carefully. You get pocket money, $80 you get every month. So if he save 30, that means spend 50. How you get 50? 80 minus 30, 50. This one, Save 50 means spend 80 minus 50, 30. Next one, 25 here. Save 25. Spend 80 minus 25. How much you get? 55. Down here, the last one, 45. So 80 minus 30, 45, 35. So which one you spend the most? March. And this is not difficult. You just need to be careful. All right, just like as I told the class just before this, you have to believe in yourself. Don't you look at the graph, Allah, I cannot do. You cannot do like that because Allah has made everyone so special. You have to believe. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the elephant story. Maybe I might tell you the flea story. Okay, so anyway, we try now. We try this one. Or I'll tell you another story. I'll tell you a story about how I achieved one of my dreams. And then let's see whether Naomi agree. Naomi think I should show them that movie, Naomi? The one I'm in jail. Should I show them? Naomi doesn't know I'm talking to her. Okay, never mind. Question number 12.
Correct.
Just one moment. I was doing mentally, but then let me see. That's okay. Hold on.
Correct.
So far, none of you, according to the answer key, none of you got it correct. And I checked the answer key. The answer key is correct. Now you must remember this is not quarter kg. Yeah, this is not quarter kg. Yeah, you don't just minus. I repeat, this is not quarter kg. Quarter kg you minus, but this is quarter of the flour. You must find what is quarter of the flour. You must times this one first to find out how much. I repeat, if this is kg, if this is kg, 89 minus 14 minus 16, but this is not kg. You got to find out how much this is first. How to find out? 1/4 of means times 89. Then you know how much is 1/4. Now you mean no. So not so far. Well done, Carissa. First one to get it right. Farish, can Farish? Righty, you got to check. Okay, well done, Righty. And who else? Okay. Farish, you get it, not Farish? Okay, some of you are confused about this one. You see, you know, when we learn, we must be very, very clear. I repeat.
This is a trick question, Chel.
Trick question. Okay, you look at it.
No.
This and this. Okay, let's say now I gave like that. He used 1/4 of the flour, 1/4 of the flour, and bake 1/4 kg. Some of you are going to think they are the same. It's not the same. So how much is this? 1/4 is how much? You look at this one, 1/4 this amount of flour you get, you times by this. You times, what do you get? You will get, you see, times 8/9. 1/4 of this. So I divide by 4. I divide, Allah, hold on. Somehow the ink keeps running out. Or I've handled it wrongly. Divide by 4, I get 29 kg. Careful, down here, quarter is 29 kg. Say why? Okay, I'll come to this in a moment. So now you take 89 minus 29. Your balance is how much? 69. Then you minus 1/6. Say how to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you a trick. Okay, never mind. Okay, we can change to 54 lah. Times 6, times 6, times 9, times 9. So what is it? 6 times 6, 36, right? Minus 9 equals to what? 36 minus 9, I want 27, is it? Yeah, 27 over 54. 27 over 54 actually, when you minus, you can divide both by 3. Yeah, go. Okay, divide by 3, what do you get? Divide by 3, you get 9 here. Divide by 3, you get 18 down here. You divide by 9, you get 1 down here. You divide by 9, get 2. So 1 over 2 half. So now why some of you are still confused? I don't understand. Okay, now I'm going to ask you. Your dad, let's say you have a very rich grand uncle, is going to give you $50, or you choose. You say you choose half of the amount of money he has in the bank, which is $1 million. Which one you think is bigger, $50 or half of the money in the bank? You see, how much is
money in the bank?
you must times down here the money bank 1 million. You know how much is 500,000? You know, they say this one, the first one is only 50 cents. This is only 50 cents. So this is different, but half different. This one is half dollar, got a unit already. This one you don't know how much you got the times. Same thing. 1/4 of the flour you don't know yet. You must times first. That is why it's not the same. You cannot say half quarter kg. So I want you to remember that. Okay. Remember that we're going to
Am
go.
I mute?
No, you can speak, so you are not mute. Mute is a person who cannot talk. You are able to talk very well. Okay? It's like someone, am I dumb? That's what you're asking actually. You're not, you can speak, alhamdulillah. Well done. No, you're not mute. You can speak. Okay, we try next one now. Area of triangle. Let us see your concept now. Carissa, let's say, well, Carissa, you cannot make this mistake. You must be very clear. You cannot make this mistake. You'll be sent to the guillotine. Well done, Farish. What is your base? What is your height? Base is the bottom of the tent. This is a triangular tent. What is the bottom? Yes, Carissa, well done. For those who are not so sure where the tent bottom is here, you must take the whole thing. The height is here. Must meet at 90 degrees. Come on. You see, I thought I want to take it. No. That's the whole thing. Be careful, huh? Now, I will show you a very fast way to do mentally, okay? But we are waiting for the rest. What about the rest? Come on, Farish, well done. Shafia, come on, stop fighting yourself. So why fighting? So we are going to get Farish challenge with Carissa. Mental calculation. Shalina, please check. I think you forgot to divide by half. You forgot to times by half. Okay, Mike. Carissa versus Farish. Ready? Mental sums. Here we go. 9 times 17. Mental. Please type in the answer into the. Putra, come on. Putra. Righty.
That is 153.
Ayo, Putra, you have not done this question. You answer. Yeah, go to the toilet, please. Carissa, well done. 153. Okay. Well done, 153. So you times by 10 minus 17. 17 times 10, 170 minus 17. Okay, for those of you who are struggling with this, we ask Putra, what is the base? Now here, base is the bottom.
The base is BC.
BC, good. What is BC?
BC is the base.
Yeah, good. But how long is the base? See, you don't know the
8
base.
plus 2. 8 plus 2.
8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, BC also can mean before Christ. But yeah, but anyway, then what's the height? Not your height.
The height is A.
Huh?
A.
This is the height. This is the top of the head. I want the height.
6. AD.
So take half times base times height. That is the formula. Shalina, half times base times height. So half times base times height. But I'm going to show you a faster way of doing it. Now.
But I prefer this method.
But I have not heard the other method. How can you prefer? It's like your mother. Your mother wants to show you someone maybe in the future that you're going to get married. You say, no, mom, I like this one. But you have not seen the other girl. She might be a princess. Then when you look at her, you start to, But anyway, Now down here, now we can divide by
So fun.
fun. Okay, divide by 2. 5 times 6, 30. Well done, Shalina. Now, what is the other way? The other way, you try. 10 times 6, what's answer?
60.
Divide by 2.
30.
That's your, is it faster? You take base times height. That's what you do. Okay. So base times height divided by 2, you can do it in your mind. Because sometimes when you think half, half you got to do working. Half
That's what I
means
do.
that's what you do, but you have not given your answer. Okay, well done, well done.
What?
Okay, no, they're all, Putra was talking about you. Is it? No. All right, let's try now. Okay, we try the next one now. Jamie and Sally. Sally and Jamie. Oh, cannot see, sorry. Is it okay? It might be helpful to draw a model. Putra, model doesn't mean girl, model. Model for drawing. Just get thinking something else. Not the one that you want to work like that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. By the way, talking about model, there was a lady, she wrote a book called Excuse Me, Are You a Model? And then she died. She died in a plane crash. I do not know whether you all know, there was a plane that crashed in Indonesia from Singapore. All 200 plus people, 100 plus people died. And they created like a false cemetery somewhere in Singapore for all the passengers who died. And I think most probably the pilot actually tried to kill himself so they can get insurance money, if I'm not mistaken. You all know about that? You all don't know. Okay, later I'll try to show you, okay?
So sad.
Yeah. It's like, I felt so sad too. Yeah. But if you actually meet some family members, I think don't do that. So sad.
Too much, too much.
Okay. All right, have you drawn the model? No one has given me an answer. But teacher, you're talking. Okay, try. Farish can do no, Farish? Farish, you look a little bit blur. Are you okay?
The answer is not there.
How come this one was
That means it's the nearest number.
what?
Come. Hey, you're not mute now. Everyone can hear what you're saying. Okay, Raidi has given an answer. Let us see whether it's correct. According to the answer key, Mr. Raidi, answer is not correct. Naimi, are you okay? You look very sleepy, as if you're going to poke your eye. Are you okay, Naimi? Yes, click my post.
All right, I got answers.
Okay, your other answer is correct. Shalina can do?
What answer? Sure.
Yeah.
You know what I do?
What you do?
I do the thing that I always do. If the
I see.
answer is not there, pick the nearest one.
Okay, I also can do this. This is like the dog in the car. You ever seen the dog in the car?
Yeah, no.
Okay, come on. I know question 14 is a little bit tough. Okay, we read together. Now there are two persons, Jamie and Sally. They have different amounts of money, but they are going to pay for the
Can I do for? Can I help them?
But hold on, before that we understand the question first. We might have to draw a model so that it's easier to. So now they are going to share the cost of the present equally. That means it's going to pay the same amount. Jamie didn't say, hey, I got lesser money than you, I pay lesser lah. No. It's going to be the same. So each of them is going to be paid the same amount of money. So this is the amount of money paid. Jamie and Sally going to pay the same amount of money. But Jamie has less money than Sally, right? You see, the amount of money Sally had left was 3 times the amount of money Jamie had left. So now can you see? I draw 1, 2, 3. Putri Karisa, did you do something like that? Shaded part or you didn't do?
Yes, she do.
She did, huh? How do you know?
Yeah.
You're sitting away from yours. Okay, but anyway, the one is shaded down here. It is what? Is the amount of money spent. Can you see it's equal? And then Jamie got some money left. Sally got 3 times the amount of money. How do I know all this? It's all in the question. What Sally have left was 3 times the amount of money Jamie has left. So what to do now? How much did each of them pay for the present. So who, Mr. Raidi, how do you do this now? Your explanation, how you say you wanted to explain, you tell us. How to,
So,
yeah. Okay.
so it's really like correct lah, but then it's my way I do lah.
Okay, what's your way?
Okay, so I take 42 plus 90, which is
And then 42 plus 90, 132. Okay, and then 132, and then
132 divided by 2,
you add 2. Okay, and then
divided by 3,
divide by
is
3.
66.
Okay.
Then,
Okay, that's
no, divided by 2 is 66, and then 66 divided by 2 is 22. And then I
then
take 42 minus 22, which is 20, and then I go to the closest one.
okay, no, that's not the correct way. Okay, what about Carissa? Let's check whether she understands. Okay, now from the model,
He
Carissa.
says so fast.
Okay, so that method is not correct. Let's see now, Carissa. How to do now? How to do? I'd already drawn the
Yeah.
model, right?
What is your
how to do?
method?
From using this model, you know how to do?
Yeah. Go, Kakak,
Hey.
go.
Aduh, let kakak answer lah. Okay, I'm gonna, can do not, Carissa? Then how you got your answer?
She don't know. She don't know. She
Okay,
don't know.
so no problem.
I can explain for her.
Okay, you explain that. What? How?
Ah.
See. Okay, but never mind lah. Never mind.
Okay, I can.
Okay, what's the method?
So the method is,
He's gonna go round about now.
so you take 42.
Okay, 42. Okay, and then. Okay lah, we don't have time.
Salah.
Okay, what is the difference
much?
between the amount of money Sally have and Jamie have? So we take 90 minus 42. The difference is how much? 48. So you got to label this 48 on the diagram. Can you see where the 48 is? Sorry, 42 equals to 48. Where is the 48? There you can see on the diagram the difference is here. What?
So I knew it. I was going to, I want to say that.
Can you see now? Oh, the difference is actually here. This here is 48. Why 48? Because that's the difference between the two. This is Jamie's amount of money, 42. Sally's amount of money, 90. So 90 minus 42 is 48 here. Now then 48 divided by 2, because this is 2 units. So next step, 48 divided by 2. What do you get? You get 24. So what is 24? 24 is for 1 unit. I'm going to label where the 24 is. Okay, watch. This is where 24 is. This is 24. This is 24. Sorry, the first 2 is not clear. This is also 24. And this one is also 24. So you want to find out how much each pay for the present. You can take 42 minus 24. 42 minus 24 is how much? You will get 42 minus 24 is anybody. I'm doing mentally yet. My mind is a little bit slow today. What about Farish? You know what's the answer? 3, 6, 6, 12, 18. $18. Okay, that's the answer. Okay. 14 is $18. Let me see. I'm going to check one by one. Farish, do you understand the question? Yes, no? You understand? Raidi, you understand? Raidi, you understand? Honestly, understand?
Honestly, I just think. I mean, yes, now I understand. Now I understand.
Okay, then what about Putra? Putra, with new hairstyle, do you understand? You look at Archie in the comic. Do you understand, Putra?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, Carissa, you understand?
Say no.
Yeah, good. Therefore, you are telling me so that I know who is understand to understand. Shalina, Carissa, you don't know? You don't understand?
No.
Okay. Shalina, you understand?
Good.
Asa, you understand? Naomi, you understand, Naomi? Naomi is talking to someone else. Naomi, you understand? Hello. She's talking both. Okay, so I'm going to show, I'm going to draw again. I draw now below this one. This is now Jamie's money. This is now Sally's money. The difference between Jamie's money and Sammy's money, do you understand? First of all, it's 48.
Why are you writing below?
Yeah, because no space. I don't want to cancel the drawing on top. This is 42. This one must be 90. This part, do you understand or not? First, if you understand, then we are okay. You see, Sally's money is 19.
I understand.
You understand, huh? Okay, now if you understand, I'm going to cut now. What am I going to cut? I'm going to cut from down here. Because when Jamie spent, Jamie got some money balance. This is the money that is balanced. So then what it means? It means Sally must have 3 units here. Jamie must have 1 unit here. You understand so far? I cut down here. Why I cut here? Because it's only a part of Jamie's and Sally's money. It's the same. This is the present amount of money they pay for the present down here. Both of them paid this amount of money. So now Jamie got 1 unit left. Sally got 1, 2, 3 units left. The difference, these two is 48. What? 48 is for 2 units. There. Divide by 2, you get 24, 24, 24, 24. So if you want to find what the amount of money spent by Jamie, 42 minus 24, get 18. So Jamie paid $18. Sally paid $18. What is the price of the present? If you want to find price, 18 times 2. But they didn't ask you for the price of present. They asked how much did each of them pay. So it's $18. How better not? How? I do not know whether you're
Much better.
much better. Okay. All right, never mind. We'll try again. We'll try again. If you don't get it first time, yes.
Sure.
Yeah. Go.
Thank you.
Okay, nah. Akil, are you okay, Akil? We move on. I tell you what, we move on to the next part because maybe it's getting too challenging. Hey, what is that? What sound is that? Someone kencing until. Oh, Putra. All right, can we try now? Very quickly, yeah. This 3 you can do very easily. Let's warm up again, lah. 16 questions, 16.
So, these are very confusing.
Yeah, okay. You can send your answer. You've sent your answer already. Oh, yeah. So, motivational quotes. Okay. Where do you get it from, Putri? Your school, is it?
From my school.
Oh, okay. Raidi, what do you want to say? Oh, you have your new number. Raidi, you got new number, new phone number. Then you say new number.
I think never mind.
Oh, okay.
Check.
Putra, you're doing the moonwalk, now, Putra, not bad, huh? One more time, show us the dance again. Okay, come. We are waiting for. Raidi has given the answer for the first one. Oh no, it's dancing, you know. Ini mathematics yang kelas dia joget. Let us see whether Raidi is correct. Raidi, your answer is, according to answer key, your answer is not correct. Please check again, Mr. Raidi. Come, Putra, come. This one here is divide. Huh? This is divide, okay? Well done, Putri. Well done, Raidi. Farish, what about you, Farish? Come on, Farish. Come on. You can do this. Shalina, what about you, Shalina? Am I going too fast, Shalina? Am I going too fast? No, huh? Mimi, are you there, Naomi? Come on, try. Come try. Well done, Shalina. Akil can do now question number 16. Come on. The rest we've done. Do 17, please, and 18. Okay, I'm going to go through 16. Raidi has given the next one. Your answer is not correct.
My answer is not correct.
Sure.
No, Putra is correct. Raidi.
I put 17 and then dot. You sure?
Yeah, that's not the small. You want the smallest one. That is not the smallest. That is correct, but it's a common multiple, but it's not. Okay, come, Akil, we try. Okay, first of all, down here, the first one, what do? We can do the times, and then after that, do the divide here. So 90 minus 21 plus 7. Hold on, huh? Can still go smaller than that, Raidi? Oh, no, no, no. Which one are you doing now? I'm confused. Then you minus, you get 69 plus, sorry, 70 minus 21 is 69 plus 7, 76. Rather straightforward, huh? Okay, so far no one has given me the correct answer for question 17. Botmas, yeah, Botmas is correct. So what do we do first for Botmas? Botmas, we do brackets. Then they say, I thought next one is divide. No.
Sure.
It's times or divide or times. Which one do you do
Yeah.
first? Do the left one first. Okay, just hold on. Do the left one first. If you have both times and divide in this case, do the left one first. Okay, so first you do brackets, next one times or divide. If you have two brackets, which one you do first? The left one first.
Sure.
Times and divide, which one you do? The left one first. Yes, yes. Yes? Question number 17, Shalina has got it.
I got method.
What method? For which question are you doing?
For 16.
Okay, what's your answer? What's your method?
Okay, you say about the bottomless, right?
Yeah.
Actually, you can draw, you know.
I don't draw lah, Alamak, dia very long lah.
No, it's like.
Yes. It's about Botmas.
Okay.
I found the answer.
Okay.
For
Just
17.
yeah, well done, Raidi, and well done, Shalina. Okay, can you show us how to draw? Then you draw on the screen,
Okay,
Putra.
can you erase all?
Erase all, because it's untidy, is it?
Yes, please.
No. Okay, and then
Okay. So first it's just that you.
you draw lah. Don't
No,
tell us
you.
first.
Okay,
You draw. You draw. Oh. This is mathematics or this was what?
Wait.
Okay. Let us see lah. Then.
Okay. I forget it lah.
This art
So
class.
is that a demon?
No. She says there's a
No,
method.
Okay.
There's a cat.
I should remember.
Okay, so
Meow.
That look is a mouse now. Dead mouse.
You, it died. It's
Dead
dead.
mouse.
It's
Dead mouse.
dead.
It's a dead mouse. It's a dead mouse.
The
Mickey
bear.
Mouse and Minnie Mouse died.
wait, let us see. I hope he's not joking. Otherwise, wasting everyone's class time.
Yeah.
No, I see it
You-
now. I see.
Okay, what is it, Farish?
The use is the D. The X on the eyes is multiplication.
Silence.
The D over there, the mouth, that is division. Then the circle, the face, it's order.
Hey, one by one. Okay. Farish.
Okay,
Okay, Putra, hurry.
The year is the bracket. The I is the time. The mouth is the plus. Isn't it a P? Plus.
Okay, and then?
And then I forgot to draw another one.
Okay, so maybe you use that method for yourself, but the rest you try to memorize lah. Otherwise, I'm just worried you all might be confused.
I memorized the whole thing already.
Memorize, huh? Okay, good. All right, let's move on to the next one now. Question 17, and ready. Come, you all do the rest, huh? Ready? Let me see whether your next one is correct also. First common multiple. Now remember, multiple means you multiply. So 6, 9. 6, 12, 18. Down here, 9, 18. So the first one is 18. You know what I'm talking about? This is now timetable, 6,
Yeah, you know. I'm really good at my
18,
timetable.
24, 30, same thing, 9, 18. So the first one is 18. All right. Okay, the one below is very easy. We won't do the one below. Let us move on. Okay, down here, this one, please.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's been a long time we never test our multiplication.
Because I think you all are quite champions at it.
Thank
No
you,
one.
teacher.
You want to test? Okay, later we can test lah. But it's okay. We see. Yeah. Come, we try this one. Come on. Let's see. Can you do it? Putra, try again. Faris, try again. Faris, is your answer? The answer is not here. Faris, try again. Which one are you doing? You're doing question number 18. Oh, but it cannot be that, right?
So what
How
about
can, your answer, okay. Raidi also, try again. 18 is 18, okay.
is it correct?
Ah, yes, now you're correct. We are doing number 19, this number now. Carissa, correct? Yes, well done. What about the rest? What about the rest? If you're confused, I want you now to do something like that. Add a 0. Then maybe you might be able to see. See? You see? Hey, come. Okay, down here between the two is like you are getting 10, you know. 430 minus 420 is like 0.10, something like that. Then you divide by the number of what? Of the number of parts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, right? So if you have 5, 10 divided by 5 is 2, you know. Why this thing keeps? You get 2, right? Down here 5. So imagine this is 10. 10 divided by 5. Why I say imagine? Because the actual one is 0.10. You divide by 5, you get 0.02. So this one is what? 4.32. Farish, well done. This one is 4.34. Now try right until the end. 4.36, 4.38, and 4.40. Okay, so not bad. If you are able to get it, all right, we move on to the next one. Okay, we do this one and I'll tell you a story. I'll show you a video. I do not know. Let me ask Naomi. Naomi, you think I should show them the video just now I showed you? Naomi, she's in her own world. Naomi, should I show them the video just now? Naomi! Should I show them the video just now? The video, just now I showed you a video, right? Should I show them that video? Should I show them the video just now? Don't know what I'm talking about. Yes, I should. Should. Why? Okay, later we see. Okay, there's a story behind it, okay? And I'm relating it to mathematics. It's called self-belief.
Sure, the person who said yeah is me.
You. No, I was looking at her nodding her head. All right, come on, this one now. Very easy, very easy, very easy.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm looking at
Look.
you. Alhamdulillah, you can snap your fingers.
No.
Yeah.
Let's see it's really long already.
Okay, come. Let's not waste time now. Okay, Raidi, I think has gotten an answer. Congratulations to Mr. Raidi. First one to get it right. Well done. What about the rest of you? You can do this mentally. Raidi, do you do this mentally?
Yes.
Later, you tell us the method. Okay, don't tell us now.
Okay.
Later. Well done, Putri. Did you also do it mentally? Yes. Okay. And what about Farish? Can do this mentally?
Isn't me?
No, I think I better mute you lah. Come, do the work lah.
I already said my answer.
Really? Oh yeah, well done. You
Oh
did-
yeah.
Okay, so now here we go. We ask Raidi. Raidi, how do you do it mentally? Raidi.
Let me explain. Take 12 times 5 is 60 and then cut off divided by 256 and then
Okay, then you plus together. Well done. So
I do
Raidi,
it in a different way.
okay, how do you do yours?
So I take 12 times 4 is, so I take 12 times 4, so it's 48. Then 12 cannot, so after that I add 10 to 48, so it's 58. Then I add the other 2, so it's 60.
But why you times 4? Can I know why you times 4?
Because it's easier because I think it's easier to do it so that you don't, I don't know, because
You
12
remember?
times 4 is already
48. You
48. Then
right.
then 12 you add 2, there's remaining 10. So then it's like easier.
Okay, so all right. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Carissa, for telling me. So, Putra. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, now down here, okay, maybe it's easier for me to show Raidi's method. Okay, so please watch out now. Down here now, we split this up 5 and half. Okay,
What?
so 5 you times by 12. Now, those of you say how to times by 12. Okay,
Easy,
you
just-
take 12 times 10. What's the answer? 100,
No,
120.
Chill.
Then divide by
I was
2.
waiting for you to ask me this.
Okay. What? How do you do it?
Sure.
Take the number, right? You know the 10, right? Because you just put a 0 at the back, right?
Yeah.
Then you know the multiplication of the 2, right?
Yeah.
So it's like for 7 times 12 is, let me check, is 82.
Okay. All right. So there's a okay.
10
Okay.
times 2. Like
10.
10 times 2.
10 times 2. Okay. All right. Okay. Now there's so many different methods, but I'm just going to show you the first method that I did it, which is 5 times 12 you get 60. And then what's half of 12? Half of 12 is 6. Then you add them up, you get 66. So that's what I do mentally. Okay. I split.
I also, Chair.
You also. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Then you plus together. Okay. Well done. Well done. All right. Should we move to the next one, or you wanna see something? Alamak, I do not know whether you all are losing that thing. But anyway, now when I was a young boy, and maybe I told you all this story. When I was a young boy, I wanted to be something. Did I tell you all? What? Who was saying?
You wanted to be a police.
Policeman.
Astronaut? No, not astronaut.
Actually, I wanted to be an actor, you see. But I didn't get to be an actor. But anyway, that was a dream I had when I was about 10 years old. Even 9, I think. Maybe 9 years old. There was this series on TV. I really liked it. I said, I want to be an actor. But it did not happen. But I did tell a dream to a relative of mine in Malaysia. And when I was almost 40 years old, was 39 years old, he called me up and says, remember your dream you told me as a teenager to act, to direct movies. My best friend, he says, is a film producer. His brother is a well-known director. And he says, do you want...
Brother Robert Downey Jr.
No, he's the one who made the film Duyung and the Anak Mami series in Malaysia. I do not know whether you all know that. And so he says, why don't you come to Malaysia and I will introduce you to them. And so I went down and met them. And yeah, this is, I just show you some of the, so that you know. Why am I telling you this? You must know that dreams, whatever dream that you have, if it's halal means it's not wrong, Allah can...
True, man.
Yeah, I'm going to show you now. True man. Okay, here we go. So this is the Datuk lah. The Datuk who's a director. Okay, he has directed more than 30 movies in Malaysia. He has done Duyung. So Duyung, why am I showing you Duyung? That was the first time I went. They brought me to the set of this. This is Duyung. This is Maya Karin lah. Anyway, this is her. And when I went to this place here in Sabah, they did the shooting, and I saw for the first time what filmmaking was all about. And it's very, very tough work. Very, very tough work. But it was a very fun experience. So one day, not long after that, they asked me to write a script actually.
Yeah,
So-
I tried searching your name up in Google, but then...
Okay, so down here now, there is this, not Shifu, sorry. There is actually this first movie that I did write for them. They tried to present it to TV3. You know TV3? There is Media Prima actually. It's a very big company. This is the company, okay? And they wanted to make a movie, but they keep trying. This is the thing. This is like very big. They have TV stations, radio stations, and each time they suggested this movie, it didn't work. So they asked me, what is wrong with the script? So I told them, I read through. I said the problem is this. Then they say, okay, can you write it? So I wrote it, and I went to this place in KL, and I presented it to the TV station. And what do you think they say? And they say, when can we start shooting this movie? So this is the movie actually, Sifu Tonga. It's a crazy movie, yeah. This is the movie. This is Nabil, his first movie. I do not know whether you all know who's Nabil. This Saiful Apek, they are quite popular lah. This down here is Era Fazira, which is a very popular personality.
But what happens if you type Seafood Tonga writer, script writer?
I don't think my name is shared. I shared it with another person because they didn't want to offend the other person. But anyway, what happened was, remember what I told you when I was young? I wanted to what? I wanted to act. So I played a trick on the director. I wrote the script and then I wrote one small part for myself. And the part is singular actually, the mad person. So I said, so I tell him the story, then he liked the story so much and says, I told him, by the way, I wrote this part for myself, you know. Can I act as that person? He says, yes, you can. But after a week later, you know what happened? He's not so sure whether I can act. So he says, why don't you come down tonight for an audition? And when I went there for the audition, there were so many people there. And I was a little bit nervous. You know, when you're nervous, you can't act, right? You like get stage fright, right? So I need to get rid of my nervousness. So what I did was, okay, he told me this. Okay, show me that you can act. So I went up to him, I slammed the table, and I told him, shut up! They all were all looking at me. There were 20, 30 persons there. No? I said, what's wrong with this person? And then I said, I'm just warming up. After I did that, all my nervousness all disappeared. And then I acted. And then he said, yeah, you can act. So I'm going to show you that part over there. You want to see that part? Where I act as Sea Gila. But this was 10 years ago, so it was a long time back. Here we go. Okay, you can watch this movie on the... Let me see it. Can you see it? What are you? Uh-oh. You see Kashmir? We will try and see for Tonga. You can check on the videos. Look for the one with 1 hour 30 plus minutes, and then are you able to hear the sound? No. It's a crazy movie actually.
You know I say no.
Okay, I'm now going to. You said no. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm going to share the sound. Here we go.
My phone was muted.
Ready? Are you ready now? Again, this is a crazy movie. This is what I wanted to try out, and
Mana? Mila mana? Hai.
remember I'm playing a crazy man.
Lepon jahat ke degil.
Mila. So you show us this before.
I showed you before. Oh, okay. So okay, then I don't need to show them.
I think they want to see. I think they want.
Okay.
Bukan Jepun. Melayu. Melayu. Hai. Hai. Lawan.
And then you just
Bukan Melayu. Jepun lah. Lipang lah. Banyak jahat dah.
Okay, so if you want to watch the rest, you can watch on your own. It's a crazy movie. Some people hate that movie, and some people sort of love the movie lah. So that was
You
my
look so
experience.
different.
And that was 10 years ago, and I need to be different.
You look so
So-
young.
This you are telling I look very old now. Okay, thanks for the honesty. Okay, here we go. We are very honest and frank. That's good. Yes. Okay, here we go now. Okay, here we go. Are we ready? Percentage now. We try. Yeah. Question 22 and 23. But you all got the point of what I'm saying in the story. If you want something that is halal, you can get it actually. But it might take you some time. But whenever you dream, you want your dream to be achieved, you can. But
I have so many dreams.
but don't forget. Yeah, you can have many dreams, but don't forget your Islam lah. When I was on the set, you know what happened? I was the only one who prayed on the set. The rest all did not pray. And in the first part of that shoot, we were in an ancient cave, more than 2,000-3,000 years old. You know that cave. So you got to be. But what am I saying? You can achieve whatever you want.
You sure what you want?
So yeah, whatever that you want. What do you want? You want money? Okay.
Oh,
You can get.
oh you
money.
unmute me.
I want to be a pediatrician.
All right, great. What's a
I want to
pediatrician?
be K-pop.
A doctor who take care of children.
Children. Okay, all right. So you become a children's doctor.
I
I want to become a teacher.
Okay. Who's
I
that?
want to be K-pop.
Oh, okay. Well, Putri, what teacher? Okay, all right. What about the rest?
I want to be K-pop.
You want to eat K-pop? What is it, K-pop? Is it a type of fried chicken or? No.
No, it's when people dance for money.
I see. Means you want to be Korean, is it?
Yes, you want to be Indian.
Be proud of who you are. You are Malay, you should be proud.
No, he wants to be Singaporean Korean.
Oh, Singapore Korean. Okay, okay. All right, well done to Putri. Well, yes, Shafia, what do you want to be, Shafia? Well done, Raidi. What do you want to be?
I want to be you.
I want to be teacher because, wow, because you have very nice handwriting. Okay.
Sure.
Yes,
What is the movie name?
the movie name is Sifu Tonga, which is a crazy movie lah.
I want to watch later.
It's a ridiculous movie, but yeah, for me, it's my experience in the film industry. Okay, come. Yes, it's what it is. Okay, well done to Raidi. Who is that screaming? That mute yourself lah, mute yourself. You can scream all you want, but you got to mute yourself. Now, we have correct answer for Raidi and Carissa. Raidi, can you try 23? Yes, you have done 23. Well done also for your answer. Carissa, what about you?
I don't know what I want to be before.
Both your answers are right. Eh?
I don't know. I haven't even said what I want to be.
What do you want to be?
I also
So don't worry if you don't know, because sometimes it takes time for you to experience the world and then you realize, yeah, that's what you want to be. But I didn't become what I want to be actually. That was just a short experience. Right? In the end, I became a tutor, a teacher, a writer. So
At
But
least
you
you have
became
one.
by at least you act an actor who actor is someone who act before. So that means you act in a movie. So that means you are actor.
I see. But yeah,
Only
that's
for like
unknown
5 minutes.
finance, yeah.
wait, but you
It's such a sad story.
No,
Okay.
it's such a happy story.
Happy
It's
story.
a happy ending. Happy.
All right, come on. What about the rest? Well done, Carissa, for that. The rest of you, are you able to do it? Shalina can do now question 22. Naomi can do now question 22. Ustaz Shafia, stop watching the video. Do this one. Yeah.
Sure. I've done the question number 23 before you asked me to do number 23.
You have already done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which I was correct.
Yeah, you're correct. Okay, this one. 30% adults. How many percent are children? Step one, in case you're not sure, I'm going to write it down for you. So there's 70% of children, 70%. So you know, find how many children there are, just take 70% of 850. 70% is 70 over 100 times 850. And we are not going to go into the calculation, but according to teacher Carissa, the answer is 595. 595 children. Okay, we move on to not number 23. We're going to move on to something else so that everyone can be involved. Now here, in here, this one now. This one looks a little bit challenging, a little bit. Overdue means you have not written the book when it is time for it to be written. Due means the time for it to happen. For example, someone might say to a pregnant lady, when is your baby due? Due means when it's supposed to come out. Yeah. So due means the time for it to be written or something like that. In this case. All right, let's see whether you're right, Mr. Raidi. I don't think you are right. You've forgotten the first 4 days. Yes. Raidi, your answer is not correct. Please check. Raidi, try again. Let's see. Well done, Carissa. Well done, Farish. Raidi, please try again. You missed by some. Raidi, again, you missed some more. The The fourth attempt, you will be executed.
I'm proud of you, Cher,
You're proud of me? Who's the one who said that? Why? Why do you say that? Why? Why you
for
say
acting.
for acting? Well, that is not my first movie. There's a few movies I've done.
I'm proud of you, Cher.
Oh, so touching. It's so nice. Okay, come. Hey, Putra, do this one, Putra. Do you go to the library? This might happen to you. Righty,
Sometimes.
Righty, you have missed again. You have to go to the guillotine. You know what's the guillotine?
No.
Later, I'll show you. It's a very, but don't go to the guillotine. In the olden days in France, they chop people's head. They will put
Yes.
your head on top down here, and then they let a blade go, and the head will fall into a basket. You know about that,
I
right?
want to watch.
You want to watch
So
what?
cool.
You know, watch people being guillotine.
Wait,
You don't have that anymore.
wait, I got one. Can I share a
No.
story later?
Okay, yes. Later you can share. Okay, so no, you got it wrong. Okay, no, 9 days. So down here is 4 days. Down here, how many days? 5 days. So 4 days is 4 times 10 cents. All right, 40 cents. Good. And then below that is 5 times 25 cents. So $1.
135.
125 here, right? 125, and down here is 40 cents. So you add them up, that's all. It's 165. Right, okay. Your 125 was correct, but you forgot the 40 cents. And then somehow you missed. So this sort of stuff you must know.
I forgot my 5. I forgot my 5 for 160.
Okay. Yeah, you forgot a 5. Yeah. So now you must know all this. Why? Because this is life skill, right? You will be getting chat like this, no? Next time, and then you say, I don't know how to read. I'm not so good at mathematics.
So just pay $2.
Pay $2. Okay, you pay $2. Yeah, normally they say, never mind, I pay $2. But you should know. Here we go, average now, average. Have you done average? Not yet.
No.
No, okay, so you do next week, eh? Average next week. Next week, I'll go through. Huh? Don't draw. Okay, try this one. Question 28, please. Average for next week, eh? I must remember that. You know isosceles?
What's an isosceles triangle? Is it
Two sides are the
acute
same.
triangle?
What's an acute triangle? All the angles are acute? No. Isosceles, two sides are the same.
All angles are very cute,
Yeah, acute is different.
except for obtuse angles.
Obtuse. These two sides are the same.
Okay.
Maybe this is too far ahead, huh? Okay, let's see. Hold on, Putri. Let me just double check. Okay, never mind. That means this is a topic you have not done. Okay, the answer is 12. Never mind. So sorry, we won't go through this. That means you have not done this. My mistake. My bad. So I'm gonna
I
clear
got
this.
that correct, Cher.
I forgive you.
Yeah, only for Putri, yes. Okay, so we move on to paper 2, but topics that you have done, Okay.
There's the ratio, there's the fraction, there's the decimals, there's
Yeah,
the
so can
cuboid.
we do this fraction one? This is paper 2. You can use your calculator. Okay. You must understand the question first, okay? As the weeks pass, I need to go deeper and deeper to paper 2. Otherwise, we have spent too much time on the easier question. So the lesson will get a little bit more tougher. we'll be revising a lot. All right, let's see, Raidi, whether you're. Congratulations, Mr. Raidi. Well done. You can try the next one also, but you cannot see lah. You can try question the next one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Naomi, please carry on, please. Okay, please. Yeah, if you don't need to go, yeah, please carry on. Shafia, how Shafia? Can you do this one, Shafia? Come in over, Shafia. Are you there? Shafia, Beijing, Mayday. Can do not? Putra, what are you doing? Putra, please do the question. Stop shooting the question. Very easy question. Puteri, this is your answer for question number 1, is it? Please try again. That means you did not read the question carefully. Please try. Ready? Don't write answer there. IDK, I don't know. Okay. You good. You try again. You try again. While I'm gonna help out the rest in a moment. Isosceles means two sides are the same, Ready? That means, let's say these two sides are the same. Maybe you can do now. Can you try? Now there are 7 bottles. I draw 7 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each bottle contains 1 to 9 of juice, each one. So you must first find out, you want to find out how much juice, and then in the container, there's big container that they pour, there's, this container just got a little bit more of this much more. Okay, but yours is in decimal, huh? All right, can you, 1031. Can you leave it as a fraction? Okay, it should be, do you correct? Okay, never mind, let me check. Let me check whether as a decimal is okay.
Sure.
Yeah, you converted to the nearest. Yes, well done.
Sure.
Yes, well
Are we
done.
supposed to convert the answers with decimal or fraction? You didn't state.
Yeah, they didn't state. So in this case is you leave it as if you want to convert to decimal as what you have done, it's okay. It's okay. It's not wrong. It's not wrong. But it's just that yeah, for this one I prefer. For me, I prefer fraction. But for your exam itself, it's okay. Your answer is okay. All right. It's not wrong. It's correct. So remember, I'm drawing this so that you know that every cup or bottle has 1 to 9. 1 to 9. So what do? You take 1 to 9 times how many? Times 7. You can do this 2 ways. I'll give you the easier way. You change this to mixed number. 1 times 9 is 9 plus 2, 11. 11 over 9 times by 7. Please do. Please go, Carissa. Okay. Farish, something is wrong. You see, 1 whole, you times 7, you get 7 already, right? How come you get 4? See, 1 whole, one glass is 1 liter something. Is 1, 2, 3, is more than 7 liters at least. So you get 77 over 9. 77 over 9, if you divide, you will get 72, which is 8 and 1, 9.
I need to go to the toilet.
Please.
I need to go to the toilet.
Yeah. Go. How come you're going at the same time? It's a brother-sister thing. Okay, no problem. Go. Okay, so down here will be 859. And then you need to plus with 1. 859 plus 1 3/4. You need to add together. Okay, no problem. So we will practice some of that in a moment, Farish? Okay, we'll get everyone to practice on the board in a moment. So now, how to do this one? Change it to 36. You times by 4. You times by 4. You times by 9. You times by 9. And what do you get? You get 8 whole 20 over 36 plus, plus 1 whole 27 over 36. So what do you get? You get 9 whole 47 over 36. Now, 47 over 36, you have to change 47 over 36 into how many wholes? So this is how many wholes it is? This is 1 whole and how much? 11 over 36. But you must plus with a 9. So you get 10 whole 11 over 36 liters. Okay, I'm now going to practice the multiplication of fractions, just to check whether you all are still okay. Okay, here we go. Now we will start with the basic ones. Who's that singing? Okay, we try. Here we go. 2/3. You key in your answer, okay? Times 12. Okay, let us see your answer, please. No using calculator. Putra, come on, focus, Putra. Singing later, Putra. Well done, Raidi. Well done, Carissa. Well done. Shalina can do, no, Shalina? Farish? So down here, those of you not sure, 2 over 3 times 8. Okay. All right. So Farish, okay, the 2 over 3. Don't turn this around, Farish. You must just leave it like that. See, when do you turn around? You only turn around if this is divide. Then you turn around. If it's times, really leave it. 12 over 1.
8.
So you can do it. Yeah, 8, correct. Well done. 4. 2 times 4, 8. So when do you turn this around? When you have a divide sign, then you turn around. But there was no divide sign here. Okay, we are now going to go for divide sign. Okay, now divide sign. Hold on. Come, we try this. Putra, must mute yourself lah. Otherwise you start barking. I also can bark. I bark like a real dog, no?
Meow, meow, meow. There, I thought.
Yes, meow, meow. All righty, you're done already. Let's see whether you're right. Congratulations, Righty. Well done, Carissa. Farish, what about you,
11
Farish?
out of 16.
Yeah, I don't really think
All right.
so.
Sorry?
Can I help them?
Yeah.
Is it 2 whole 1 out of 6?
No.
So-
Okay, come on, show. Yes.
What you do is that you take 4 times I divided like it's like you know how I saw it.
How? Okay, just hold on. Okay, 2 times 4, Akil. 2 times 4, 8 plus 3, 11. You must change it to improper fraction first, and then down here 11 over 4. Divide, change to times. Now the 4 goes down. This one goes up, goes down, not like that. So now you cannot cancel anything, just times. 11 times 1, 11. 4 times 4, 16. All right, now that means we have to try again. Well done, Shalina. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
I thought I do the question 2 whole 3 out of 4 divided by 4. No?
Yeah, this one. So this
What do you
one,
get? 11.
11. 2 times, okay, so now 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3, 11. 11 over 4. We change to improper fraction.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So okay, Farish. Okay, no problem, Farish. Farish, you know how to change this one to this? Do you know how to do? So now divide now. This is actually divide by, you can write it as a whole number 4 over 1. 4 over 1. Now, in order for you to change to times, you must do a flip on the right side. Only the right side. So you do a flip. Now the 4 goes down, become 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 down here, I'm going to write it big. 11 over 4 times 1 over 4. You cannot reduce any of them. So what you do, top times top, bottom times bottom. 11 times 1, 11. 4 times 4, 16. Okay, we try again. We try. Okay, we try, we see. First, let us try. I'm going to give you 2 questions. You try and see whether you can get both correct. One is basic. The other one is okay, and the next one is well done to Raidi. Well done, Raidi, for the first one. Well done, Kashrin. Well done, Carissa, for the first one. Well done, Shalina. Farish. Okay, don't be frustrated. You cannot get. It's okay. Okay, we can go through. Raidi for the second one. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna. Raidi, well done. Kashmir, well done for second one. Putri, well done for second one. Shafia, can do or not, Shafia? This one can do, Shafia? What's your answer? Okay, Shalina, well done for second one. So where's Farish?
Yeah.
Where you? Yeah.
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 Is 1 is 9.
9. Yes, well done. 1 is 9. Okay, I give you the next question.
Number 2 is 7, right?
Number 2 is 7 over 8. Okay, here we go now. All right, we ask Farish. Farish, how to do this one? 3 over 7 times 21 over 1. Do you know how to cancel, Farish? Okay, so how what do we can we cancel? Which one? Unmute yourself. Which one? Which one? Tell us. Come. Can divide by 7. You get 1. Son, divide by 7. How much you get? Then you take 3 times 3. You get 9. Bottom is 1 times 1. 9 over 1 is 9. Okay, Farish? Farish, okay? Okay, now this one. Farish, you tell me what to do. Change this to improper fraction. How? One times 4 plus 3, 7, right? 7 over 4 divided by 2 over 1. Now, divide, you want to change to times, you have to do the flip. So what is the flip? This one, I've got to flip on the right side only. Okay, keep this, change to times, cause a flip. Now you cannot reduce any of them. Top times top, bottom times 7 over 8. 7 times 1, 7. 4 times 2, 8. Okay, we do one last one. That's the last one now. Okay, 2, 2, 5 divided by 6. Your last question, please. Ashwin, did you answer so fast? Wow.
Yes. Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow.
I'm so smart.
Wow. Congratulations, Mr.
Yeah,
Putra.
you don't see your face.
Congratulations, Mr. Putra.
Uh,
Congratulations,
thank you.
Putri.
Because I type very fast.
Yeah, Raidi, you got to divide by 6, Raidi. Divide by 6.
Divide by 6.
Yeah, you can reduce. Divide both by 6.
Wait.
Well done, Shalina. Mimi. Naimi. Naimi, this one, Naimi. Try this one. Naimi is in our own world now. All right. Farish, come. This one, what's the improper fraction, Farish?
2 over 5.
2 over 5 is correct. 2 times 5, 10, plus 2, 12. Remember, times this plus here. 2 times 5, 10, plus 2, 12 over 5. Divided by 6 over 1. Next step, keep the left side the same. Change divide to times. Do the flip. Can you reduce? Both can divide by 6. Divide by 6, get 1. Divide by 6, get 2. 2 times 1, 2. 5 times 1, 5. Okay. The other one is uploaded already, Putri. I will also do this one. Now, don't be sad if you don't get it. Okay, I will. You'll try to practice this, lah. Okay. Faris, if you are unsure about this, you watch the video. I will send your dad the link. You can watch the last part again. You practice this. Okay.
Sure.
Faris, smile, Faris. Why? Don't be sad.
Sure.
Yeah.
I want to show you something.
Oh, you want to show something? Okay. Okay. So okay. Faris, you say you want to show something.
So you look.
Yeah. I'm
Look.
looking.
And I'm like this.
Uh-huh.
Right. It looks like I told you my face.
Yeah, it looks as if you don't have any body, lah.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Oh, please.
Okay, no problem. Faris, you say you want to share something?
I can
No.
show you magic.
Okay. If not, then we'll go off, all right? Okay.
No. I'm not done yet.
Not done. Okay, what is it?
11
Alright.
times times table.
No, okay. All right, I'll check out. Okay, Faris, who Shafia is sharing screen. So what is Shafia gonna share? What is this? Shafia, what? Okay then. All right, we'll catch up again next week. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.
No.